These are my closest friends and family, the people I couldn't live without, the people who bring me happiness, hence yellow. My passions: piano, music, acting, film, writing, thinking. Downfalls: losing people I love, creative blocks, leaving high school, starting a new phase of my life, shifting into adulthood. It's crazy how seemingly trivial moments in our lives shape us into the person we become for the rest of our lives. How each and every interaction we've ever had has taught us something new. How some relationships we form last a lifetime while some only last a few seconds. How each and every one of us is so unique in ways that we could never imagine. How every one of us is so different than we expect on the surface. How you, me, and everyone else are living right now. And me, I'm living as hard as I possibly can. This is the only life I have, and I'm planning on making it the best I can. I love this earth, and having my feet planted on its soil gives me a purpose. And that purpose is to give, to love, to cherish, to succeed, and to dream. This is me.